Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Experiencing sticky or unresponsive buttons on your PlayStation 5 controller? It's incredibly frustrating when your inputs don't register, especially in crucial moments of a game. Many common fixes simply don't address the root cause of this annoying problem. But don't worry, there's a highly effective, singular method, just discovered, that will finally bring your controller back to perfect responsiveness. Get ready to game without glitches. You might have tried blowing into the button gaps or using a blast of compressed air, hoping to dislodge any debris. While these techniques might offer a fleeting moment of relief, they rarely provide a permanent fix. That's because they don't truly clean out the microscopic particles or sticky residue that accumulate underneath the button mechanism. For a truly effective and lasting repair, we need to go beyond surface-level cleaning and get to the real problem. The only truly effective method for fixing jammed PS5 buttons in 2025 involves a targeted, non-invasive cleaning approach. We're not talking about opening up your precious controller or risking damage to delicate components. Instead, this technique focuses on precisely cleaning the contact points underneath the buttons, which often accumulate invisible gunk. You'll be amazed that all you need are two simple items you probably already have lying around your home right now. Here are the simple steps. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 controller is completely powered off and disconnected from your console. Next, take a cotton swab and dip it very lightly into some 99% isopropyl alcohol. You just want it barely damp. Now, gently press the damp swab around the base of the stuck button, twisting it slightly. Repeat this motion 3 to 5 times for each problematic button, then let it dry fully for 10 minutes. This precise cleaning method dissolves the invisible sticky residues and microscopic debris that commonly cause button sticking. You'll immediately notice your buttons feeling incredibly responsive and clicky again, just like they did the day you first unboxed your PlayStation 5. It truly is the only reliable way to tackle this common frustration. For continued optimal performance, consider repeating this quick maintenance trick every few months. Game on without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.